Metadata Utility, Batch Operations, Switchboard. From the main switchboard, click on Enter, View Information Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility, Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility, Batch Operations, Switchboard. The main two options are Meta Utility Online Search Switchboard, and the second option, Metadata Utility Bulk Switchboard. For additional information on regards each of these two main batch operations switchboard capabilities, feel free to click on any of our videos where we have detailed instructions step by step, as well as visit our website at metadatautility.com for more information. Thank you for watching.